Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny. And welcome to my car, because that's where I'm at. Yeah. So we're going to hang out for a little while, because we got something really big and juicy to talk about, and you want to know. So, come on in. Like and share the video on your way, and if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you like and share the video as well. And hit the subscription button and the notification button below. And that way, you won't have to remember it. And you'll never miss a deal, steal, glitch-free stuff or awesome information. Or just hanging out like we're about to do for a few minutes. Almost every day. Alright, everybody. Did you do the deed? If you didn't do the deed, please do it now. Leave me a comment and or an emoji. It's super duper important for YouTube purposes. Keeps us in the algorithm. Allows us to help thousands of people. Yeah, I said that. We are at 22,000 subscribers. Awesome. And a few more. So welcome and thank you very much for being my crazy friends. Alright guys, if you did not get your paper 5 off any day of the week, go check your accounts. Go look under just for you, because there's something maybe there just for you. At least there was for me on one of my accounts. And that is this right here. Save $5 on your purchase of $25 or more pre-tax. Expires 10/13. Let's check out the details. 5 off 25 or more on your next... Boy, that's always right on time usually. Dun da da da. On your next purchase. Valid 10/9 to 10/13. Yeah, that's tomorrow, isn't it? Monday. So awesome, guys. If you did not get your paper one, check those accounts, because it looks like they're giving us one for the week. So this is your awesome information. Now let's go see if we can find something free. Okay, let's start with a little something for the kids. We got the Airheads Extreme Rainbow Berry. Earn $1.75 back. You must purchase 2. These are $1.25 a piece. That means that is $2.50. And you're going to get $1.75 off. So, awesome deal right here. Now, this is an interesting coupon. This is a manufactured coupon. It is a $10 off coupon on Gain products. And it's a complicated coupon. And I bet you somewhere along the line, this glitches. We'll have to see. We've got save $10. You have to buy a 24 count fling. All of these are $7.50 items. So you have to buy 1 Gain flings, a fireworks, a dryer sheet, and a fabric softener. And the fabric softener has to be 90 ounce. Okay? So 4 items at $7.50. That more than reaches the $30 benchmark that you need for the 5 off. So, technically, if you did this on a Saturday, if everything came off, you would be saving $20 on a $30 purchase. So, yes, that would make a really good deal. So, if you do the Gain, you want to clip this. But do not clip any individual Gain coupons if you want to use this, because those will be lower value and they'll come off first. Now we do have a $2 coupon off of Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, or Sprite, but the Coca-Cola products are not on sale this week, but they are 2 for $14. So it'd be 2 for $12. Like I said, if you're going to clip that $10, do not clip these $2 or $1 coupons. We've got a store coupon for Dove. So you want to clip this $2 body wash coupon. These items aren't free, but they're really close. We've got the Febreze car, and you've got a $2.30 coupon for that. And look at that. As soon as I pick up toothpaste, I get a $4 coupon. We've got a Glitching Scott coupon, and it's attaching to the $3.65 6-count Scott. Do not clip this dollar off of Insure, okay? You've got too many high-end coupons. Hopefully you've already clipped some of those, but do not clip this dollar one until you've exhausted the other ones. And guys, look at this little deal. Buy one, get one. Buy one Tide Pods 12 to 16 count or a liquid detergent, and get one Bounce Fabric Softener Sheet 34 count for free. Hey, this is not a bad deal because that Bounce is $2 and change. So you're saving $2 on 2 items. We've got a store coupon for Dove, spend 10, save 3. We've got a manufactured coupon from Dove Body Wash, and it's attaching to the $5 body wash, okay? So you could pick up 2 of the $5 women's body wash and only pay $7. Okay, tidbit of information. It's not attaching to the men's body wash, okay? It's only attaching to the women's body wash. So that $3 off of 10 will only stack with that $2 off if it's women's body wash, not with the men's. Okay, if you use Tide products, we've got another unusual coupon. You've got this ginormous Tide at 146 fluid ounces. It's $19.95. It is a buy one, get one coupon, and the item that you're going to get for free, I think, will complete our $25. Now, what you're getting for free with this coupon is laundry beads. So you can do the Gain for $4.75. That'll put you at your $25 mark. Your Downy for $5. Your Downy Unstoppables for $5. All of those will put you at your $25 mark to use your new 5 off of 25. Okay? Now, what's going to come off? $5 is going to come off. And if you're using the Downy, let's say, $10 is going to come off that $25 purchase, leaving you paying $15 for this $20 container of Tide and the beads to go with it. So I think that's a winner, simply because we've got the detergent for less than what we'd have paid, and we're going to buy it anyway if we need it. And then you've got something for free. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Free stuff every day from Crazee Country Couponer and DG. Yeah, we got to get it somewhere, don't we, guys? Dollar General, give it to us, and I'll tell you about it. And on top of that, if you have any earned money from over the weekend, like I did the cat food, so I now have an additional $5 in earns. So if I wanted to do that Tide deal, it could be $5 cheaper even for me. Now, if you're not sure how to use your spend money that you got for your earned coupons, you can use it as a gift card. If your cashiers do not know how to use it, it is used just like a gift card. They just hit gift cards and scan it, okay? You can also use it at the self-checkout. Just choose gift card, and it will ask you if it's a barcode or a number. If it's a barcode, then you simply scan it, and then you can spin it. And we got so many earns on here, guys. So even if we don't have coupons, we still save money, because we get it back, and then we can spend that earn on anything we want in Dollar General. So I'm kind of glad they went this route, because we can do both now. Alright, guys, that's the best things I got going on right now, but you know there'll be more. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, do so. If you haven't left me a comment or emoji, all the good stuff, please do so. And if you haven't checked your notifications recently, including your YouTube notifications, because I've got people telling me that they're not getting their notifications again. So go up to your YouTube app, check the drop-down menu, go to settings, and make sure all your notifications are on. And that's if it is happening here on this channel, it's going to be happening on your other providers as well. So go and check that out, okay? If you're not been getting your notifications. And don't forget, periodically check your bell, make sure it's on. Sometimes, well, all I can say is sometimes YouTube happens. So blessings. I love you. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll talk again real soon, because we're going to have more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information.